That's 6, maxed out. Okay, looks like a pretty cool machine. Got a nice picture on the outside of the box. Alright. And that's how they give to you. Right there. So this one, 12mm orbit. Alright, power consumption 500 watts, maximum 750 watts. Free speed 2500 to 5500 per minute. Weight 4 1/8 pounds or 1.9 kilograms. Alright. And the cool thing is it's got a nice diagram of the parts breakdown. So you know what the tool's got on internals. So now, here's the tool. Give you a little tool here with some extra brushes. You can see that. Okay. It's a tool. Got a nice weight. I don't see any damage on it at all. Alright. Cool. Like that. Okay, it definitely has a long cord. And that would be on, so it's definitely off. Plug it into this outlet. Alright. So here it is. You can see that, right? You can see it. You can turn it on. Check the setting first. It's the number 1 setting. Bring it up a little bit here. Nicely balanced. And it's smooth sounding. 4. 5. That's 6, maxed out. Okay, this thing is really balanced well. It's got a good balance to it. I'm going to put a pad on it. This pad is a 30-inch pad, microfiber. Alright. So, I'm going to need safety glasses, but I'll stand behind. I won't be here because it'll lean towards me and I'll be behind it. Right? Turned on. It's the 1 setting. Oh, that is smooth, man. What can I polish? I don't want to polish anything with this pad because I want to use it on a vehicle. So I'll save that. I'll get a junkie pad real quick. Alright. Here's a junkie pad. Right? Put that junkie pad right there. Okay. I could probably polish out the stove. Just do some stovetop polishing. Get some lights. Alright. I don't want to use a kitchen stovetop polish. I want to use this because this has some grit, like little bits of grit, and it'll contaminate the pad. And I'd like to be able to use that pad for some other stuff. So I'll use some of this compound, stuff without a label on it. Since it's in the kitchen, might as well do something in the kitchen that could use some polishing. Right? A couple drops. And it's glass, so buff out, polish real well. Oh yeah. Nice. Turn it up a little bit. Oh, that's smooth. That's like smooth. That's like smooth, man. That is smooth. Now I'm getting on it. Oh, it's got some power. Yeah. That's smooth for sure. This is on setting 1. I'm pressing on it. It's not bogging down. Good power, man. Alright. Now let's see what it looks like. Paper towel wipe. Okay, looks like it's shiny. Glass, of course, because it is glass. So there it is. Testing the Atom Swirl Killer Mini on the Stovetop using a blue pad and some polish. It's definitely smooth, like just feels good too. Yep. It's smooth. It's smooth and it feels good. Got a good feel to it. Alright. So there, put this back over by the kitchen table. There's a tool. Don't like to have it resting like this because it's hard on the pad right there. So you always want to either have it like this so the pad isn't being pressed against. So if you're interested in getting a Atom Swirl Killer Mini, just get on their website, Atom's Polishes, and you can either call them, you know, talk directly to one of their salespeople. They're really nice. I spoke to Tyler, and he gave me some good recommendations on this machine and this tool, and also gave me the discount code. So definitely give those guys a holler, you know. And once again, look at that. Listen to it. Turn it on. Listen to it. Here, I'll go like this. You can see it sideways. Like that. Alright? Turning it on. Sounds nice and quiet. Like it's got a good... Yeah, alright. I think that's going to be a great tool in the toolbox. Okay, so remember to hit like on the YouTube channel and give a thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't like this video, maybe there'll be another video you might like. So keep watching, and I'll try to get something out there you might like. But anyways, I like this tool just from opening it up, checking it out. They packaged it really well, and everything you need is contained in the box. So I'm excited to use this tool on a panel, a real car panel, not the stovetop. and see how it goes. But my initial impressions, feels good in your hand. The weight feels nice. It's not like heavy, and it's very well balanced in my hand. I like this grip holder thingy. I can hold it like this, that. Switch hands. The speed dial is right here, easily accessible. When you're like polishing, then you just reach underneath and adjust it like that. So it should work out really good. Alright, thanks for watching. Gotta get back to work. Thank you.